Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable your PIN code on Capital.com account. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for Capital.com broker. Then next we're going to click on the above link that pops up. Here you're going to click on your account section on the top left corner. Again we're going to click on settings. Here you're going to click on PIN option. So as you can see the PIN is not set, so you're going to click on it. Then you're going to insert your own 4-digit PIN code. So this is how we do it. We inserted our PIN code. This is also good for security reasons. Make sure to also check our other videos. We have similar videos on Capital.com broker. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.